Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the effect of technology on our health. The impact of technology on our health is a complex and multifaceted topic. Technology has brought numerous benefits to the healthcare, such as advanced medical device, telemedicine, and improved record keeping system. However, it also presents several challenges and potential health risks. So it's include the positive effect of technology on health. In that, first one is the medical advancement. Technology has led to significant advancement in a medical treatment, diagnostic and the procedures and personalized medicine have improved patients outcome. Next is a telecom medicine. Telehealth service have the made healthcare more accessible, especially in a remote areas. Patient can consult with the healthcare professionals through the video call, reducing the need for the travel and enhancing the convenience. Next is a health monitoring device. Wearable technology such as a fitness tracker and the smartwatch allows individual to monitor their health metric like heart rate, sleep pattern and physical activity. This information can promote better self-care and early detection of health issues. Next is the electronic health record. Digital record keeping system streamline healthcare administration, making the patient information readily accessible to the healthcare provider. This enhances the coordination of the care and reduce the error. It also includes the negative effect of the technology on the health. In that, first one is a sedentary lifestyle. Excessive screen time and the use of technology for the entertainment can lead to sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity is linked to obesity, cardiovascular diseases and musculoskeletal problems. Next is a digital eye strain. Prolonged use of screen can cause digital eye strain characterized by symptoms like dry eye, headache and blurred vision. Next is a sleep disturbance. Exposure to the screen, especially before bedtime, can. Next is a mitigation and balance. To mitigate the negative effect of the technology on health, it is essential to strike a balance and practice responsible technology use. In that, it includes set screen time limits for yourself and your children, take regular breaks from the screen to reduce eye strain, promote the physical activity and outdoor play, be mindful of your social media usage and consider digital detox. Protect your privacy by using secure password and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, technology has had both positive and negative impact on our health. While it has revolutionized healthcare and made information more accessible, it also presents challenges related to the physical and medical well-being. It's crucial to use technology responsibly and be aware of its potential effects on the health to maintain healthy and balanced lifestyle. Thank you. Can disturb the sleep pattern due to the blue light emitted by the device. Poor sleep quality can impact overall health. Next is a mental health concern. Excessive use of social media and constant connectivity can contribute to the mental health issues such as anxiety, depression and the cyberbullying. Next is the privacy and security. The collection and sharing of the health data through the technology raise concern about the privacy and data security. Unauthorized access to the personal health information can have the serious consequences. Next is the addiction. Some individual may develop the technology addiction, spending the excessive time online gaming to the detriment of their health and mental health.